Here are a few fixes that have helped other users resolve their COD Vanguard error code hexadecimal 0x00001338N. You may not need to try them all, just follow the instructions until you find a fix that works for you. Method 1. Change or remove the operator skin. According to many Vanguard players, the game works right after they remove the operator skin and switch back to the base skin. You can change the operator skin by selecting a default one. The operator skin is the major cause of this error code, and you shall be playing the game without any error codes when you use the base skin. Method 2. Clear the game cache. Make sure the game is not running. On your keyboard, press the Windows R key at the same time and enter %programdata%. Navigate to Blizzard Entertainment, Battle.net, cache. Delete every folder or file under the cache folder. Method 3. Disable ray tracing. Another possible cause of Vanguard error code hexadecimal 0x00001338N is your game settings. By turning off ray tracing, you may find the game is working like charm again. If you are experiencing the error on a non-RTX GPU, then try reducing the GPU clock by 50 MHz using MSI Afterburner to fix the error. Method 4. Update device drivers.
For any avid gamers, we can't emphasize the importance of keeping your graphics driver and audio driver up to date more. Manufacturers deliver new drivers to optimize your gaming experience and fix known bugs, especially for new games such as COD Vanguard. You can update your graphics driver manually by visiting the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA AMD, finding the latest correct installer and installing step by step. Method 5. Revert to DX11. One reason for the Call of Duty Vanguard in-game error code hexadecimal 0x00001338N is DirectX 12. The game uses DX12 by default and doesn't have any option in-game to change it to DirectX 11. Here's how to force revert back to DX11 manually. Open Battle.net client and select COD Vanguard, and select Options. Click Game Settings, and tick additional command line arguments. Then add D3D11 and click Done. Launch COD Vanguard and test the gameplay. Method 6. Disable in-game overlays. Using in-game overlays like GeForce Experience Overlay or third-party tools and software like MSI Afterburner or any RGB software can cause COD Vanguard error codes issues. Disable in-game overlays and any third-party tools you are using, and Call of Duty Vanguard won't interfere with COD Vanguard anymore.